contraband. Karma cut me clean as if I asked for it. 7 travels altered states with a cape and fake passport. I wanna shelter everybody from the snakes, and my sleeves know a couple of tricks for hunting breaks. 10,000 lakes, multiple choice of where to drown, so I quote the voice. It goes, what floats is what's found. Get down like they did in the Sev 2 before the red and blue had the opportunity to bless you. Before you knew about a phone bill, before you had to hold still, before the Kool-Aid got diluted with golden seal. I used to ride around this town on a dirt bike. Child touched a lot of wild stages just to earn stripes. Read my lips, act like you heard right, and keep an eye on your chick. I work my rubber like a turnpike.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
I'm feeling nervous.
Adios mio! Oh no! No! The pressure's on! On camera, he folded! He folded on camera! He needs help! He folded on camera! Spin, spin, spin!
They didn't think of that with the tunas yesterday, huh?
Yeah, hey, where's the spinning rod?
Used a 50 wide for fucking 30 pounds.
Couple hours. Let's go try for tunas in the spinning.
Yeah. Yeah, it's you. You catch it this time. I'm not fucking doing that shit.
I get the pass.
I told you, as soon as you put them out, I said, this is a bad idea. You said, oh no, we do it all the time. No big deal. It's good. Bueno, 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 gringo, gringo, bueno.
Yeah,
no fucking bueno.
All day. I like this guy, he's got jokes.
Hey! That's a Kubera.
Hey guys,
On the popper? You got a popper?
let's fucking
Bueno,
go.
popper.
Yeah, let's do it.
Where was that? Right here? Back on the bullshit. Or by the rocks.
Nothing for me to come swing from your tree. I wear the love like a ring and I sing until it's free. What you bringin' to we break a measure and let the hook ride just to tie it all together. Whatever. My life ain't as cool as your life, and more than likely I'll be stabbed in my sleep by your wife. So everybody stop asking me what's wrong and quit acting like you don't know the words to my songs. Starts, I'm in the corner acting smart, spitting game at your girl just to take your world apart. I hang with the secrets and the cats that paint pictures while you sleeping on life and writing the same scriptures. What you gonna take with you? I'll take it all but the fall, and when I'm sitting still you can blame the Benadryl and alcohol. As far as the stars are above the boulevard, I keep my feet on the tar with the heat in the cars. Keep the beats in the jar, wait for the time to unleash, and when it comes everybody only gets one apiece. You better learn the words before you try to quote them. I'm sitting on mixed nuts, who wants to hold them? My life ain't as cool as your life, and more than likely I'll be stabbed in my sleep by your wife. So everybody stop asking me what's wrong and quit acting like you don't know the words to my songs. Now let me get a collective amen. I put tame on the monsters the moment that I came in. I talk to the voices that speak through my headphones, communicate the life while I decipher all the info. I got styles I ain't even heard yet. Words like rain, it came and left the earth wet. Let it drip dry, focus eyes on the catalyst. Standing high in the middle of South Minneapolis. They try to figure it out, they try to break it down, but they're distracted by every accent that's making a sound. Grab it by the throat, lift it up and shake it round, till this whole world sees me as a naked clown. And while I'm pulling on her bra, she's tugging on my drawstring, screaming and shouting to figure out how you lost me. Chewing up my cigarette and smoking my gum. Out of respect for your boyfriend, I'll use my thumb from the start to the done. I never claimed to be right. I quit sleeping, now the day looks the same as the night. And I'm the type of DJ that only plays what I like. A handful of mixed nuts, everyone's taking a bite.
Talking man to man here. They're putting on a nice little spread back here, buddy. Yeah? Oh yeah. We're having a little bait buffet. Putting out a little bait buffet.
I don't think you're bumping because we're at the 81 feet. Before you didn't let nothing go. You didn't like that.
Huh?
That was your line right there. You're supposed to be watching that shit.
You busted my balls not getting seasick.
He gone? Bobos. It's the breakfast of champions.
What do you know if you learn every day? So be careful as you play your
Brian! You taking mine?
You don't know what it is, but it won't stop running.
They're buried under there.
You all the way up?
Yeah.
That's decently loose, but...
Oh, he's taking off.
Okay. He's up top, so it's probably a rooster. We're on. Stop.
The school roosters just came off. Everyone was this big. I had 6 of them come right up on the bow. 6.
This.
That was nice. They came off. They just wouldn't commit. They wanted it. But
Well, his is still going back to China. Wow. You want to circle around on that, or what do you want to do? So this was your prediction yesterday,
they're all
Rudy.
between like 30.
Rudy said yesterday fish was 40 pounds and it was 90. Today?
200.
12 pounds.
200-pound rooster! Vámonos, vámonos!
Let's get it, dude.
The form and the stance.
Ryan has assumed the college sport stance.
There's a little bit of captain in all of us.
Let go!
I took the leader back.
I thought Brian broke him, so.
He broke him. He's coming up. Wind-on's on the rod. Nice rooster. Look at that fucking thing. What do you want?
Fitting this thing in here? I ain't fitting this thing in fucking here.
You got your trophy, Brian.
Going in this fucking thing?
Yeah.
No way.
Get him, Adam. Get that fucking fish.
How the fuck do you want me to do?
Yes.
No. Ready? You grab the tail? Grab the tail?
Ready.
1, 2, and 3.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah.
Hell yeah.
Está embuchado, man.
That is fucking sick.
You got phones, Adam? Earphones? Yee! Pretty fish, man. That's fucking epic.
Yeah. Measure for
Yeah.
Huh? You want to measure for it? Yeah, let's measure.
Here, let me get a picture of the measurement.
Let's go right there.
Hey, let me get a picture with you for your page.
Hey, both of you.
Alright.
Man, I need videos of the whole bite. Sheppy!
All right, baby.
On top, jump it. There's it.
He didn't look big. It's tiny. Pequeño. It's not jump.
We got.
There we go.
You wake up, Chappy?
Just a little bit.
I saw a jump. It's not big.
Barracuda?
What is that?
Needlefish.
Right on. Little fish. Little dick.
Buddy, this is the biggest houndfish I have ever
Look
seen.
at this right here. Right, got one.
No, look at Chappers. Look at this thing right here.
What the fuck is that?
It's a big ass houndfish. What?
Way to go, Shap!
Good job, buddy.
Fucker.
That's a houndfish. Holy crap.
Look at all the bites out of them too.
That's a swordfish bait.
Swordfish.
Yeah.
Hi.
Yeah.
Yeah, throw them back.
Ahí está.
And we're tight.
Yeah, now we're tight, boys!
About to get tight here too.
Oh my. Here, take care.
No pequeño.
No.
And a little bigger. Oh.
I'm feeling good pressure.
Shush. Are we doubled up right now? Hey, Bubby. Look at the cuda. Look at the cuda on him. See the cuda on the other bait?
You see the fish?
It's like a Senate civet cuda. He's all over it.
What is it, Adam?
They're all cudas. Hey Jeff, is this where you parked your car?
This is definitely where I parked my car.
Coming at the boat?
Huh?
Coming at the boat? Gaining an awful lot fast.
Yeah.
Still feeling though, right?
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Take a leader. There,
Nice
run it
rooster.
down. Yeah.
No, he's good.
Okay, what is it?
Rooster.
Cockadoodle fucking do.
Cockle-doodle fucking do, my guy. Nice rooster. Oh, rooster.
He ain't tired yet.
Rooster downshifted a gear and left. Look at all the fucking roosters with them. Oh.
Where's the GoPro in the water? I got a fish in the water. Okay, sir, you got it?
Bueno.
All right, baby. Let's go.
Bueno, póngamelo como esa.
Yeah. You got your phone?
Vaya, que no se vea la isla. Ahí va.
Hold on, Chopper. Wait. Lion's gonna get his phone.
No nos roben la piedrilla.
Boys. Woo! Mwah.
Okay.
What the hell, Miguel?
Sancocho.
Huh?
Sancocho.
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 Sancocho. Sancocho. Ah or o?
Sancochero.
Sancochero.
What the hell's that mean, Bobby? Translate.
Means he sucks.
What the French toast?
That's right. Adam
I
showed
think we missed one. Oh, Adam showed you that?
He teach me. I teach him.
Uh-huh.
Cause yours. I can
Sangria?
Sancochero. Sancochero.
The greatest of all time, Sancochero.
The greatest of all time.
I don't think we got that bite.
Nope. That's good for me.
Swing and a miss. That's it for you?
Swing and a miss.
What, you calling it
Take him
quits?
out of the game.
All right, get off the boat. You're done.
Back to the dugout and go.
All right, Adam, set that fucking hook. Let's go. Got him on. Got him on.
Bueno, bueno.
Tight, 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 tight.
Hey.
You got a drag hammer down a little bit too.
Went away, no?
Where's that rubber butt?
Buck koozie. Buck
Right here.
koozie.
In the bucket. Left bucket.
We got you, baby. Protect your wee-wee.
Protect my wee wee.
What do we think? That thing got some weight to it?
It's like a running out.
Still running?
No.
He's digging.
Adam, don't be a pussy.
He looks like he's digging still.
Ay, la calle no te mandó la imagen esa, no puedo ayudar ahí.
There he goes. That's a nice one. Can I stick this thing in the water like this? Get the underwater shot?
When you get right up to the boat because you're going to lose all visibility after. And have something to wipe the lens off.
Yeah.
After we get Adam's fish, buddy, we'll see if we can bring one of those gaps up. Zip tie that thing. See what we got on the boat.
Yeah, that thing's got some size to it.
¿Cuántos pies hay aquí, Pato?
what's the difference between a rooster and your mom? Rooster says cock-a-doodle-doo. Your mom says any cockle-doo.
Dude, what's coming? As soon as you said it, I'm like, yeah. Remember my first joke when I was 5? Good one, Adam. Put some forearm into it. There she goes.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Yeah, buddy. Nice bag job.
Yeah, I bagged a few fish in my day. The serve hook did its job, Lennox. It went.
You got your back brace on, Bobby?
Ow.
He's a fiery one. Oh yeah, baby.
Bueno. Good job, Mike.
Yo. Good job, boys.
Pretty fucking work, gentlemen.
Rudy the Rooster Wrangler.
Adam's first cockbird. 3 for 3.
Tree for tree.
What's that? You're hanging from a tree?
Tree for tree. Oh, come on.
Swung at it. Swing! Bada, 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 bada. Now leave that on. I want to hear it.
You want to hear it?
Yeah. Ah, this is my rod. This is my rod now.
I didn't even touch it.
Josh, what happened?
Swing and a miss.
Swing and a miss. It was in the rod holder, so we didn't have time, so I can't blame him. It's not his fault. Swing and a miss. It was in the rod holder. He picked up no fish there.
Always my fault, for sure.
Huh? Sancocho.
Fish head stew.
Sancocho.
I've never filet one of this. No? I would just get slippery. Yeah, I would just do the same. Just yeah, come right around. Oh wow, it's white meat. Yeah.
Back with the spinning rod.
No, no marca. Nada.
310. No marks. Back with the spinning rod.
Oigan, Miguel.
Nice size.
Curse. Of my trip. Costa Rica. It's this fucking thing.
And a noodle rod.
There's your noodle, Josh.
Dos.
Misty and a fucking.
Nah.
Yeah, it's baby Misty. No, it's rockfish. Whatever.
Wow, you doubled up right there.
Margarita.
Margarita?
Sí.
Tequila?
That's one cool looking fish.
Yeah.
There you go, buddy.
Let's fucking go! Very, very loose. Oh, he's running.
Oh, you took the clicker off?
Yeah.
Smart man. That's for tourists. I don't believe him once.
Well, I'm making a goddamn YouTuber video.
The rooster.
Huh?
Rooster on top. No rooster, he's dragging.
Yeah. It is a rooster fish.
Might be foul.
Oh, man. No, like.
Snook!
Are you kidding me?
Get the fuck out of here.
Stop. Is this a black snook?
It looks like a snook.
Rooster?
Costa Rica for rooster fish.
No, I don't know what.
On a snook.
I don't know if it is. It looked like the mouth kind of looked like one, but
Mouth shaking out of the water like that a little bit.
he's coming up super easy.
How's the spirit?
It's a rooster.
That is a
You might have had a foul hook.
He's confused.
There he goes.
Bueno, para llenarme la memoria con
Oh, now he decided to wake up.
There's no drag on this one.
Stomach. Oh, he decided to wake up a little bit.
He didn't like that pressure.
Yeah.
And another one. Adam, give me the GoPro. You're up. Double up.
Josh, that didn't work any worse than that tuna.
Let's fucking go, Bobby.
Bueno.
Bueno.
I gotta get this one in.
I'm gonna get a picture with both roosters.
I think I get the thing in a time.
Hágase aquí, loco. Ahí sale, la otra sale igual. Hay que recortarlo.
And out. Come on, horse him in, Adam, before this thing dies. You let him go? Yeah, we had to. Alright, we call that the Palm Beach release.
Yeah.
You stuck it to him a little too
Did
hard.
you throw that other one in?
Yeah, we had to. They
Oh,
told
I
me to.
was trying to.
He just tossed it in a second ago and then you broke him off.
Yeah, perfecto.
Cheers.
Oh yeah. Right here, baby. This is where it's at. Best pineapple in the world. Best pineapple in the whole world.
Very, very, very good. You can tell me anything.
My life ain't as cool as your life. 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 No, my life ain't as cool as your life. And more than likely I'll be stabbed in my sleep by your wife. So everybody stop asking me what's wrong and quit acting like you don't know the words to my song. So I'm okay, I'm just a little mixed up. I'm alright, I'm just a little mixed up. I'm okay, I'm just a little mixed up. Yeah, I'm alright, I'm just a little mixed up. I'm okay, I'm just a little mixed up. Yo, I'm alright, I'm just a little mixed up. Yo, I'm okay, I'm just a little mixed up. I'm mixed up and I'm trying to get my